Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock turbo louder. To begin, focus on improving airflow into your engine. The most impactful first step is upgrading your air intake system. A high-flow, performance air filter, for example, allows significantly more air to reach the turbocharger, which directly contributes to a more pronounced spool sound. This simple change can make a noticeable difference. Performance air intake systems are designed to replace your vehicle's factory airbox and piping. These systems typically feature larger diameter tubing and an open-element air filter, which draws in cooler, denser air. This design minimizes restrictions and turbulence, allowing the turbo to spool up more freely and produce a much louder, more aggressive induction sound. Next, consider your downpipe and exhaust system. A less restrictive aftermarket downpipe, for instance, can dramatically amplify the turbo's spool and wastegate sounds by reducing back pressure. Modifying or removing catalytic converters or resonators will also increase exhaust flow and overall noise. Remember to always check and adhere to local emissions and noise regulations before making these changes. Finally, an aftermarket blow-off valve or diverter valve can add a very distinct sound. When you lift off the throttle, this valve releases excess boost pressure, creating that characteristic whoosh or PSSH sound. Many aftermarket options are available, some even offering adjustability to fine-tune the sound and response, giving your turbo a truly unique and aggressive auditory signature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.